guys! Hi again, this is Maddie Vergara, your sales executive here in Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako mag-release ng Expander Cross Green Bronze Metallic. So, andito na yung unit guys. I-check na natin kung okay na siya i-handover kay client. So, ayan na siya. So, waiting na lang tayo kay client para po ayusin yung mga docs. At the same time sa payment po. At pakita natin kung ano yung, paano yung naging process natin dito. So, tara guys! Guys, samahan nyo ako mag-release ng Expander Cross Automatic 2025 year model. So, tara guys! Guys, nandito tayo sa here for payment account. Guys, waiting na tayo kay client. May kausap lang si client. So, tara guys, check natin yung unit kasama si client. So, ayan sila client. Paakit na tayo sa parking. So, tara guys! So guys, ayan, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is my client, Ma'am Christina Vizda. So ma'am, ano po masasabi ninyo sa naging transaction natin dito sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila?
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Madeline Vergara. This is Madeline Vergara. Inassist na kami all the way. At the PC, maganda nito. Magandang mag-assist si Madeline.
Ayan.
Thank you so much, PNB. This is my benefit.
Ayan. Thank you, PNB. Ayan. Thank you so much
for the benefits.
Okay.
Thank you as a Pula Bumper. Ayan, may mga benefits kami.
Ayan.
And si Madeline, okay na okay to. Ang bilis ng transaction. No hassle.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Tina. Hi guys! Again, this is Maddie Vergara, your sales executive here in Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So tara guys, samahan nyo naman po ako. Ipipick upin na lang po ni client yung unit niya. So actually guys, nag-process na po kami kahapon ng mga paper. So today, Saturday, is pipick upin na lang po niya yung unit niya. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako. up guys? Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Again, nandito na si client for demo na yung unit. So, inaantay na lang natin matapos yung demo. After po is mag-picture taking na tayo. So, stay tuned lang guys kung ano-ano yung mga nabigay natin na freebies kay client.